Is AI red teaming required by us AI policy? Imagine building a new robot or software that makes decisions for you. Would you want someone to test it thoroughly before it goes live? That's what red teaming is all about. It involves simulating attacks or stress tests on artificial intelligence systems to find weaknesses before they cause problems. But does us AI policy say companies or agencies must do this? The answer is no. As of 2025, there is no law or regulation that legally requires red teaming for artificial intelligence systems. US AI policy is mostly made up of guidelines, executive actions, and voluntary standards. The main document is America's Artificial Intelligence Action Plan, released in July 2025. This plan focuses on encouraging innovation and keeping the United States competitive globally. It asks agencies to cut unnecessary regulations but does not set strict rules for testing or safety procedures like red teaming. Instead, it promotes a light-touch approach, meaning companies can choose to do red teaming if they want, but they are not forced to. The National Institute of Standards and Technology has created the Artificial Intelligence Risk Management Framework. This framework suggests red teaming as a good practice for finding vulnerabilities, but following it is voluntary. It's not a legal requirement. The government relies on existing laws, such as anti-discrimination laws, to address issues caused by AI. If an AI system used in hiring discriminates against someone, current civil rights laws can be enforced. But these laws do not specifically say that red teaming must be done beforehand. The White House's Blueprint for an Artificial Intelligence Bill of Rights, released in 2022, talks about principles for safe AI. It recommends testing AI systems before deployment and monitoring them afterward. However, these are just guiding principles, not laws. They are meant to encourage best practices, not enforce strict rules. Some states, like Colorado, have started to create their own rules for AI, but these are exceptions rather than the norm. From a legal perspective, the US prefers a flexible approach. This means companies and developers can choose whether to do red teaming or not. Many leading AI companies do conduct red teaming exercises voluntarily, especially for high-stakes systems like facial recognition or autonomous vehicles. They do this to reduce risks, meet customer expectations, or satisfy contractual obligations. But they are not legally required to do so. In summary, even though red teaming is a helpful way to find vulnerabilities and improve AI safety, it is not mandated by US federal policy. The current approach favors voluntary standards, industry self-regulation, and sector-specific rules. Organizations working in the US should keep an eye on evolving regulations, but for now, they are not legally obliged to perform red teaming on their AI systems.